Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. What a massacre today. In yesterday's video, I was confidently leaning bullish and even front-ran another long position at $96,600. This entry was based on the appearance of a doji candle on the 4-hour time frame, which historically signaled a dip followed by a reversal. Turns out the doji failed to deliver. We can call it a failed reversal signal in technical terms. Since that moment, Bitcoin has dropped 2.2%, touching the major long liquidation level of $94,400. This zone was already marked and discussed in the Discord. If you're not in there yet, you're missing out on real-time updates and calls. It's free, and everyone is welcome. Now the big question is whether we bounce from the $94.4 to $95,000 zone. If not, then the next major support is the blue channel between 93.3 and 93.7 thousand, where price consolidated back at the end of April. That area could quickly come back into play. The strategy for now is to stay patient and wait for a clear reversal on the 4-hour chart. Once momentum shifts, the plan is to scale into the open position and ride the upside. Target zones remain 97,000, 98,000, and finally the psychological milestone of $100,000. Open positions are already staged there, and I'll close this new Binance trade accordingly if the move plays out. Total liquidations in the past 24 hours amount to $164.49 million. Longs took the brunt of it, with $136.81 million wiped out. Clear signs of over-leveraged positioning ahead of this correction. In other news, Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy posted the famous Saylor tracker chart and said, "Too much blue, not enough orange." That's usually his way of teasing a fresh Bitcoin buy. An announcement might drop within the next 1 or 2 days. On top of that, tomorrow is Monday, the day ETFs usually show their hand. If institutions deliver similar inflows to last week, we could see strong green candles forming early in the week. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.